Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on how I do my wings eyeliner. I have flat hooded eyelids and it took me a long time to figure out how to do wings eyeliner on my eyes, so I hope this video is helpful if you have a similar eye shape to mine. If you want to see how I do my wings eyeliner, just keep watching. First, I start out with a brush tip eyeliner. Brush tip eyeliners are sharper so they help you get the perfect shape, and they're also easier to remove in the case that you do make a mistake. I do not recommend using a felt tip or gel eyeliner for the first step. Felt tip eyeliners tend to crumble when you remove them, and gel eyeliners have to be removed with an oil-based makeup remover, which will mess up your eyeshadow if you're wearing any. Okay, so this is the most important step. If you have hooded eyes, start with the eyeliner on the top of your eyelid. This gives you more control as to where the wing goes, whereas if you start it with the bottom of your eyeliner, the angle may be too harsh and interfere with your eyelid. Next, I'm using really small strokes on the inner portion of the eyelid. It doesn't have to connect because we're gonna go over it later. Because the upper portion of the wing is already done, you can really create whatever angle you want with the bottom eyeliner as long as it can connect to the top. So now that we have a basic outline, I'm using makeup remover to clean up the tail. Next, I'm switching to felt tip eyeliner. This is more pigmented, so it's really gonna help fill in everything faster. I do make the inner portion of the eyelid a little thicker at this point. That's really gonna help you blend in your falsies later on. I'm also going to use that to fill in the lash line. The outer portion of the eyelid ended up being a little thicker than I would have liked, so I removed it and went over it again to make it a little bit thinner. So because my eyelids make the shape of my eyes appear more downturned, I like to make my winged eyeliner sort of counteract that. I do this by making the inner eyeliner the thinnest, and then where the crease goes down, I make that the thickest area. So that's basically it. That's how I do my winged eyeliner. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.